Hey guys, it's Jess, and welcome to another video of mine. I know I've been like not really present on my channel at all for wanting to have made a YouTube channel, but I do plan on making more videos, including this one. This is going on YouTube, I swear to God. I'm serious guys, I've filmed like 10 videos in the past and I just delete all of them because I think they look like garbage. It might be me that is the garbage, not the actual video. So yeah, if you want to see a chill everyday makeup look, please keep watching and go ahead and hit the like and subscribe buttons. Oh, it's recording. Alright, alright, alright. Sam! Will you wet this down for me, please? Thank you. With the help of my lovely assistant, my 11-year-old sister. Did you not, like... Sam?
I got it.
You need to do this. Come on. It's not, like, wet. You need to, like, squeeze it while you're running it under the water. Thanks. I got some new products from the Walmart because I needed a sticky primer because I only brought my freaking baby skin primer. I need something that'll stick and last a while because I found that having late nights and everything, my concealer will stay on, but my foundation does not. You can bring me my sponge, please. You needed to oh my god. You didn't squeeze it out. And it's cold! Why didn't you use hot water?
Why didn't you just spray it on my carpet?
As you guys may be able to tell, I'm filming in my little sister's room. It's very sparkly, very cute. Next week will be a change in scenery. We will be in my dorm at Ball State. So to start off with, as I said, a sticky primer. We're gonna use the Nivea Sensitive Shave Balm. I know this is kind of like, wow, okay, cool. But the drugstore really didn't have that much. As far as like sticky primers. I was looking for the one from Rimmel, but they didn't have it, so F me, right? But up. We're just gonna wait for that to get tacky. I already did my eyebrows, as you might be able to tell, because nobody does eyebrows on camera. Sorry about it. I don't know, I just feel like eyebrows are such a personal thing, and everybody has their own way of doing it, so. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation in the shade... I don't know, it's the palest one. Oh, W12 Warm Porcelain. In the winter time, I don't want to look too dry, even though I tend to be a little oily. But this stuff doesn't get too gross on me, so here we go. There's no, I don't do anything special as far as like putting it on. Breaking out really bad because it's just been the holidays, and you know what comes with the holidays, lots of partying, I guess you could say. Lots of festivities, so skincare really wasn't my biggest concern, which it should be because I have terrible skin, but whatever. So I found myself just using like a makeup remover wipe to wash my face a lot of nights when I was like not home. But I'm gonna try to get back on track since the holidays are over. It's date night tonight. Date night tonight. Gonna go out, get some food. And Alonzo, mi amor, are gonna have some quality BFF time. Get some dinner. This isn't that full of a coverage foundation, but it gives pretty good coverage. I'm just gonna try to build it up a little bit, which this is a really good foundation to build up. I really hate that at 20 years old, God decided to give me baby hairs. Alright, so I'm gonna let that set in my face for a couple minutes while I do something. let's carve out my eyebrows. I like to carve out my eyebrows on a day-to-day basis. I know that can be kind of a pain in the butt, but I really love my eyebrows, so I want them to kind of be the center of attention. Oh, I'm going in with the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. I got this when I was in London and I'm almost out, so don't know what I'm going to do about that because it's such a precise tip. And I love using it for my eyebrows. Freaking awesome. It doesn't have to be perfect. Because, like, nobody's perfect. So yeah, I usually like to do this look for, like, school. Especially, like, the last few weeks of school. I was doing this look because the BB cream I have right now oxidizes. So I stopped using my BB cream, but on the usual, like, routine, I do use BB cream for, like, class and stuff. I don't usually wear foundation. I'm just gonna have to get a new BB cream. Sometimes I do get concealer in my eyebrows, but that's okay. I just go in with some Brow from Benefit and fix it. And then usually, just because my cheeks suck, I go in with maybe like half a pump more foundation. I put it on both sides of my cheeks. And though this cheek is like a lot better than this one, it's my good cheek. And I just give it another layer. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go in with some highlight and contour. So for highlight, I'm gonna use some Tarte Shape Tape, tried and true, and for contour, I'm gonna use a Wet n Wild Mega Glow Mega Stick in Where's Walnut. And this shade, this shade is Light Sand. Oh my god, my face itches. And now I'm gonna contour my huge nose. Oh my god, my nose itches. I'm going to go in with a mattifying a mattifying powder, and I've been trying out this Maybelline New York Fit Me translucent powder, and I really like it. I was scared to get it. I don't know why. I don't know. With face stuff, I get really scared to try stuff out with. And I have the shade 05 Fair. Yeah. And I'm just gonna, not necessarily bake, but really press the powder on the places that I've highlighted. Since this is every day, I do want to ensure like my nose will not get oily, because like if I'm not wearing the right products and I'm going to classes and stuff when I get back to my dorm, I will seriously look like I don't even have a good metaphor for it. I have nothing witty to say. It's just like I look disgusting. I hate looking so freaking pale in the winter, so I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit, not too much, with the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. I use this every day. If not, I use the other Physicians Formula, the one that smells good, the tropical whatever. I don't know. I'm not perfect. Get cheekbones. Now we are going to use my, if I can find it, we're going to use my original Tartelette palette. This looks great with blue eyes, so I use it a lot in the winter. Especially, I'm going to use the shade Free Spirit. We're just going to set that concealer down. All my stuff is just, I'm tired of living in a frickin' suitcase. God! Now I'm going to go in with a Natural Beauty. It's kind of like this purpley shade with a little bit of gray in it. I'm going to go in to the crease just a little bit, just ever so slightly. Okay, now I'm just going to go on the lid with Force of Nature. It's kind of a pinky, brownish, purpley color that looks red on the skin. There we go. I'm going to just diffuse it a lot because this is an easygoing look. And I seriously do use this like every day in the winter time just because the colors are a little more cool, but they still have those qualities that I like in an eyeshadow, like not too cold. Like I can't do grays or anything. I stick to purples. Like that's like the coldest I'll go. That's the coldest I'll go. And just because I love sparkle, I'm gonna try this out. It's my new Golden State of Mind from ColourPop. I got this for Christmas. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this top color right here. It's called Watch Out. Just gonna use my finger because I found most ColourPop shadows are best to use with your fingers. And I'm just gonna spread that all over my lid. Wow, that is gorgeous. That is seriously so pretty. I'm gonna blend it out. For inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use my Sleek Makeup highlight palette, and I'm gonna go in with, sorry, it's broken. I'm gonna go in with this pretty color right here because it's the most used color I use in this palette, and I literally use this every day. And I got it in London too. I am going to use fake lashes for this look. I usually don't use fake lashes on like a regular school day, but I've been wearing them a lot at home over break. I'll usually wear like false lashes maybe on a Friday of a school week, if I'm like going out that night, or I want to look cute on a Friday. Screw you. I'm using, I think it's like a waterproof e.l.f. liner, and it's not purple, it's brown, nothing too harsh. And I'm not even gonna make a wing, I'm just lining my lids ever so slightly. Cool, cool, cool. And for lashes, I usually wear the I don't know, they're London. Why can't I think today? They're in the blue box. I'll put them in the screen. God, I suck. I'm out of those, and I went to Walmart and I saw these. They're only like $2.46 or something like that, and they're from Eileen. Never heard of this brand. It's Twinning is Winning, and I got the style A8142. I'd seen this around Walmart's before, and I'm finally wanting to give them a shot. I haven't heard anything about them, so why not, right? Yeah, I mean, they're really pretty. Use the Scandalized Retro Glam from Rimmel. Okay, yeah, they're pretty. I usually get more volumizing eyelashes for like everyday wear. Yeah, they're pretty. And it's like a your lashes but better deal. Alright, yeah, okay. Okay. So now I'm going to go on my bottom lashes, or bottom eye thing. And I'm going to use the Natural Beauty and just very lightly give my eyes some depth. For blush, I'm going to use this Becca Cosmetics blush in Flower Child. Okay, as far as lipstick is concerned, I get asked a lot what I'm usually wearing on a daily basis, and it is, why am I out of breath? It is Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood. This is the perfect shade for me. I don't know why it makes me look so good. So, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade 130 Dusty Rose. And now for the grand finale. Hey, I'll be there soon. I'm still getting ready, but I'm almost done. Now I'm going back in with that shade from the Sleek palette right here. My freaking rose water! Where's the rose water? Can we leave the overly highlighted looks in 2017? Like, yeah, highlight is pretty, but God. Ha! To finish the look off, I'm gonna set my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. Is the completed simple look for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are excited to see more of me. No, but I'm serious. I'm going to be making more videos. You guys are going to be seeing more of me. I have plans for this month, and I will continue on to be making videos. And if you like this video, remember to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.